Yes, we're live and we promise to bring you details about the Lululemon and other companies. But before we get into that, the Dow opened lower, but is getting some more ground and it lost during the pre-market trading. It's let's see what it is from here. Let's refresh our tracker. Yes, the Dow it's opened 143, less than 100. It lost 143.9 points. That's 0.6%, but it was lower than that in the pre-market trading. So the Dow opened lower, but gradually creeping up. Okay, so we'll get back to quickly get back to Lululemon. Um, Then he says 5.33%. It's up 5.33%. Let's quickly refresh it and see what it is saying. Okay, now 4.61%. So we have here put call average for 1 day 0.4, put call ratio 0.8 for 30 days. It means that there are more the equity option traders prefer more puts. Sorry, they prefer more calls to puts. That's why we have this ratios that are less than one. In the case of the 1 day, which is probably that of Friday, there were significantly more calls, more call interest than that of put interests, and over the space of 30 days, they have still very much calls, but the puts were not that far away. That hence that average figure of 0.8. Market capitalization 17.5 billion. It is quite a big company, and we have a short interest of 4%. Somewhat tangible, but yes, it is worth looking at 4.0%. And then what's the news we have on them? This news is from today. Top consumer stock, WMT, MCD, Europe. Okay. Then we have Lululemon stock touched an early morning high of 139 before spending the rest of the session on a steady descent back towards 134.43. Traders may want to watch for a potential near-term what that is. We don't know yet. So let's have a look at the chart and see what is going on. So it has a good fair amount of short ratio, but if they keep on giving us good news, then that is good for us, and if that short ratio remains that way, then that is excellent, because in the short term we'll find out that the people who hold such positions will make it interesting even more by closing in their positions in order not to get burnt out. But this is quite a unique chart. The red one always is the simple moving average for 20 days, and then we have the upper limit, that one of the price channel, and then this is the lower limit of the price channel. So we have that in recent times, as of January, it has so December, well, Lululemon has it just overtook its simple moving average on the 31st of December 2018, and has since skyrocketed up to 139. So it's Lululemon which is is an interesting stock to watch, and it also has that short interest we're talking about over there. It fell, which day was that? On the 10th, slightly, and then has skyrocketed again today to 139. Yes, it is. A lot of money has gone into Lululemon of recent, so we have to be careful a bit. The last time it got to this stage was in the 3rd of December 2018. That was when the last time it reached to its current price or thereabout. In recent, in a very short time, we'll have to be careful, because after that time it fell to 100 and what? It fell to 114 there. So it has actually breached its upper limit. So if I had positions in this, I would probably close them for now, and then see what's going to happen. Keep watching. But Lululemon breached its upper limit today, for sure. It breached its upper limit today. It's got a fair amount of a short ratio, but this is what's going on now. Okay, thanks for watching.